District cooling, in general, utilizes the energy more effectively than on-site air conditioners because in bigger cooling stations, better quality of coolants can be used, and the maintenance and service can be optimized to the energy consumption. Frederiksberg utilities can produce 3 megawatt energy for district cooling. It is about the same as 10,000 refrigerators would do.
One of our subsidiaries is Frederiksberg District Cooling, which is a company based here in Frederiksberg, a part of capital of Copenhagen. We are actually working with 2 district cooling plants at this moment. We're having one here in Frederiksberg and one in Carlsbergbyen, which is a new city area within Copenhagen. District cooling is something we can actually see contributes a lot to our customers. It creates a great value by producing a climate and a comfort within or inside of the buildings. But we can also see that we are reducing and maximizing some of the areas that cannot be used with the normal cooling. For example, rooftops. Frederiksberg District Cooling is working a lot with our customers with both comfort cooling but also cooling for process. We are delivering process cooling for both the hospitals and supermarkets. We see a great opportunity to expand, and we want to do that together with our customers. We see the customer's needs is very individual, and every time we are expanding and going further with new customers, we're always taking the customer's needs into consideration and trying to maximize the value for both them and us.
The compressors of Frederiksberg District Cooling circulate 6 Celsius degrees chilled water in a closed pipe system to the company's customers. It is about the same temperature as a glass of water in a fridge. At the customer, water flows first through a heat exchanger and then through a cooling coil that cools down the air in the ventilation. The chilled water can be used for ventilation systems and data centers. The return water has now a temperature of about 12 Celsius degrees that will be cooled down again. Since it is a closed circuit, the same amount of water recycles in the pipe systems.
We also can see that district cooling actually contributes to the whole community. We can use benefits within the net to create value for more than one customer, and at the same time try to minimize the investments that we are doing, but of course expand and maximize the value. We are using several different technologies within our district cooling. Where we have the opportunity to use free cooling, we do so, mostly by air, and that we can use because of the climate in Denmark.
District cooling demands a great amount of investment. Planning and communication on top professional levels are the main key to guarantee the design of the optimal cooling solution.
Besides the very local trace that we are having here in Frederiksberg, we're also using a regional track where we are combining our capacities within the technical competencies, the legislation, and our financial expertise together with local partners.
Frederiksberg District Cooling operates in a larger area than only within the borders of Frederiksberg municipality.
We see this collaboration is very good. We have expanded together with other utility companies, and it actually makes us that we can keep our core competencies and focus on our core areas for the business. This expansion in Denmark is something very exciting, and it's a part of where Frederiksberg district cooling actually see ourselves in a big position. We would like to have this collaboration, but also share information and to be better both for us and for our customers. This is something we would like to be able to do both in Denmark and in the future, maybe international.
District cooling will undoubtedly be a fully integrated part of the energy utility services of the future. The demand for cooling of our buildings and data centers is constantly rising.